Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make good keyword research so that you have chances of ranking number one on Google search engine. So this step-by-step guide is very simple and I want you to follow so that you do not miss any step. So watch this video to the end so that you have chances of ranking number one on Google search engine. So without wasting of time, let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser, anyone you want, and you have to use a keyword research tool. Keyword research tools are tools that shows you the frequency of or the search volume of a particular term. So the one I usually use is Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest is free to use, so all you just need to do is type Uber Suggest on Google, then click on the first link, Uber Suggest free keyword tool. You can use any keyword tool as long as it's free. You do not need to pay for any keyword tool. So when you have gotten to the website, all you just need to do is type in a keyword that you want to rank for, a keyword that is related to your niche. Take for example, I'm in the finance niche, for example, and I want to write something about Bitcoin. So all you just need to do is to type there Bitcoin. Remember, you have to follow this step by step so that you do not miss any step along the way. So just follow patiently. So type Bitcoin. So let's say we want to write something about Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you how to choose the right topic so that you have chances of ranking. So all you just need to do is allow it to complete loading, and as soon that is done you'll be able to get details about the search term Bitcoin. You can see it has a search volume of 1.8 million search volume a month. Its difficulty is 64, which is pretty high. Paid difficulty is 11, and the cost per click is about more than $4.01. As you can see, it's quite expensive to advertise for that keyword so that you rank as number one. So the next thing you're going to do is go to keyword ideas at the left hand side of your screen. Keyword ideas. I hope you are following each step as I'm going so that you do not miss anything. Now what you have to do now is look for the longest keyword. Look for the longest keyword. So do not bother about these metrics that are here, although they are very important. They are very important, but do not worry about them. You can see the more difficult keyword is almost showing something like red, then the ones that are easy to rank for are showing green. But do not worry about that. All I'm just saying is look for the longest keywords that are available. You can see Bitcoin price prediction. You can see it's green. So all you just need to do, keep going down, look for the longest keyword. Although the keywords we are being given here are limited because we are actually using a free version, but do not worry about that. So let's use the longest keyword available here is Bitcoin price prediction. So let's click on it. As you can see, the SEO difficulty is easy because it's showing green. It has enough search volume, that is 22,000 people are actually searching this per month. This is just an average number. It is 4 times this amount of number. It could be 100,000, but to be at the safer side, they are showing you just 22,000, just 1/3 of the total number of search volume. So all you just need to do is look at all the keywords that are available. So you go back to your keyword ideas. I hope you're following. So what you need to do is first pick a keyword, look for a longer variation of that keyword, then search that keyword. Now look through it. As you can see, what you're actually looking for is you're looking for your search term now, this long keyword that comes with a forum like this. As I'm seeing here, see Bitcoin price prediction Reddit. So that's actually what we are looking for. All we just want is for a forum to be there. And there's something about forum. Forum can easily be outranked. Google prefer website than forum because in forum um you are you are to choose which information you should take because they provide more than one answer, and some of the answers may be correct, some of them may not be correct. So Google prefer to rank websites that gives just one answer than ranking forums. So all we just need to do is, now that we have seen Bitcoin price prediction, Reddit, that's a good sign. So we just need to take this and paste it in our Google search engine. Bitcoin price prediction. Good. So after we have done that, this is what you do. The number one forum we are going to use is Reddit. You click on search. You duplicate this tab, and your following tab, instead of us to use Reddit, we are going to use another forum, which is quora. Quora. Good. So since it is easy to outrank forum, we are going to write a blog post that will rank above this and this. You see, there are other websites there. This website do not really relate to the topic. As you can see, Bitcoin price prediction. This second one does not relate to the topic. This one does not relate to the topic. It does not relate to the topic. So let's come over here. You can see price analysis does not relate to this topic. This one might relate to the topic, but is not. So we want to outrank this topic now. So actually you can see that the topic here is, what is your Bitcoin price prediction 2019-2020? Quora. Come over here. Bitcoin price target at this amount by December 2021. So you need to ask yourself, what do you find in common between these two websites? Have you seen it mentions a year? Come to this other side, it mentions a year. Come to here, you see Bitcoin price. Come here, you see Bitcoin price. But there's something else you need to notice, that there's only one prediction here. So we need to open both tabs and see um, what we can fetch from here. This is how you do extensive keyword research so that you have chances of ranking. As you can see, this post was written in 2019 and it only has 1,300 views. We are not interested in that, so we're actually looking for a recent one. This one is 2019, November 2020, 2020, 2019. So we are going to look for the latest one as November, September. Good. So this is the latest one on the list. Yeah, November 5th. Yeah, this is the latest one here. As you can see, the person is only writing short paragraph, very short paragraph. This paragraph here would not be more than 50 words, but it is already ranking on Google number one. Your aim is to rank as many as possible on number one on Google search engine. So you can see the person is using Bitcoin price here. So let's go back to Reddit and let's see Bitcoin price target for December 2021. As you can see, this one was written 5 months ago. This one was written, this comment just came in 5 minutes ago, and you can see there are a lot of engagement here. You can see 401 engagement. That means people are actually interested, and 234 comments. So people are really engaged with this article. So you need to ask yourself, what have you gotten from this? So as you can see, as I mentioned below, you can mention a price, a date or a year on your topic, as you can notice between the two. mention a date in your topic, then you must also include Bitcoin price. You should also include Bitcoin price. So since the search engine is ranking pages that have Bitcoin price and a year, Bitcoin price and a year, you too should create topic that relate exactly to that. So you can come out with a list of topic. Your topic could be, what is Bitcoin price 2021, or what will be the price of Bitcoin in 2021? What will be the Bitcoin price in 2022? So something like that. So you need to come up with topics in form of questions. I hope you get the idea. So as soon as you have done that, you should be able to outrank this forum. Remember, forum contains different answers, and Google want to show the best results to its users. Since it contains different answers, it is Google itself is unable to decide which of those answers among is going to be correct. So you need to write a website that can outrank this. All you just need to do is write longer version of the answer. Remember, you do not need to write a lot of things. I say a minimum of 750 words, a minimum of 750 words, and do not forget to include keywords that you have also found here. For example, what is the expected price of Bitcoin in 2021? What is Bitcoin price prediction between? What would be the approximate price of Bitcoin in? What is Bitcoin future? So these are potential subheadings that you can use when it comes to writing your topic. You can also pick a little from here. End of the year 21 price prediction for Bitcoin. The top 6 Bitcoin prices for 2021. So as you can see from this keyword research, you have a lot of subheadings you can use. What I do personally is I just pick the best 5 subheadings from these two. Then I'm going to write just 200 words answer to that subheading. So I don't need to write 1500 words. All I just need to do is pick the top 5 subheadings, and after I've done that, I just need to write 200 words or 100, between 100 and 200 words to that. And as soon as you have done that, in less than a day or two, you outrank these two websites for the search term Bitcoin prices prediction. And because you have outranked that website, you'll be able to get all their traffic. So this 1300 traffic, 604, 869, and so on. You'll be able to divert all of them to your website, and the more traffic you gain in future as people continue to ask Bitcoin price prediction. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you're able to stay to the end of this video, I want you to give it a thumb up so that other people can also learn the same thing too. And I also want you to subscribe to the channel so that you can get posted as soon as I drop my next video next week. Thank you very much for staying tuned. See you in the next video.